Hi guys, this is Soumya. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have a July month haul video. जो भी मैंने July month में shopping की है, I'll be sharing that with you guys. And yeah, there's makeup, there's jewelry, there's clothing from different website stores. So I'm gonna be sharing everything with you guys. And जो भी मैंने website से shopping की है, I'll put the links in the description box. Do have a look, and before getting into today's video, make sure you subscribe and also watch the video till the end. And yeah, let's get started. First, I'll start with the clothing, and I have this gorgeous black dress from H&M. I got this for 800 rupees and the actual amount was 1500. There was sale going on and I got my hands on this gorgeous outfit. I love this. I think this is gonna be my forever favorite dress. I especially love the neckline. I love bralette necklines, and also the satin cloth. It's making it look more gorgeous, and it is fitting me so well. It's not too tight or loose, and I love this. Basic dresses, party dresses like this are so easy to style. I can style with blazers, I can style with statement gold jewelries, and they're gonna look so gorgeous. And is this olive green top from Myntra. I got this for just 350 rupees. Sometimes Myntra has this free shipping sale going on, so I ordered just this top, and this is so pretty. I especially love the sleeves of this and also the detailing here. There are knots, so I can just pull it and make it like a more crop, and the material is cotton. I got this in size S. I'll put the brand name on the screen, and yeah, it's very boho. Styling it with some silver jewelry makes it look so good. The next, I'm gonna move with the Flipkart haul, and I have this white basic t-shirt from Puma. I got this for 500 rupees. There was sale going on again, and yeah, this is in the size XS, but still it doesn't fit me that well, especially the sleeves. Sleeve line doesn't sit on my shoulder properly, but it's very comfortable, it's baggy, and I love this. So I have few makeup products from Flipkart, and I got this concealer and contour palette from Wet n Wild. This is just for 250 rupees, and it's in the shade Caramel Toffee. Look at the size of it. It has powder concealer and contour. I have contoured my face. The contour shade is perfect for me, and I don't think so the concealer suits me that well, but both are very pigmented and the size of it is amazing. This is just for 250 rupees. So yeah, next I have a lipstick from Wet n Wild. So it's a liquid lipstick in the shade Give Me Mocha. I have used this in my last video and I'm loving this shade. I have it on my lips. I think I wear this every single day, and it's a brownie pinky nude color, and it's a liquid lipstick. I don't usually trust liquid lipsticks because my lips are drying, but this suits so well. It doesn't dry up. Yeah, I love this lipstick. I'm wearing it every single day since 1 month. You can just know how much I love the shade. So next I have this eyebrow pencil from Wet n Wild again. Wet n Wild have good offers on Flipkart, so I usually buy, and it's Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Retractable Brow Pencil. I have used this in my last video, and it's in the shade dark brown, and this suits me again. It is a cream based brow pencil, you can see, and it also comes with the pulley. So I got this for 200 rupees, again a good steal. You should definitely check out. So next I have a book from Flipkart. It's Fault in Our Stars. I just randomly felt like reading a book, and I bought this one. I'm looking for Alaska. There's another book, I'm not finding it right now. So I got this for 120 each, and I'm loving this. I haven't completed any one of these. I have half read till here. So next I have a speaker from Boat, and I got this for 1500 rupees. rupees, and I am loving this. I'm not usually into electronics. I don't understand the features much, but I got suggested from my friend. It's compact and it has this travel vibe going on it, and I am loving this. So next I have few things from Amazon. I got this menstruation cup from Amazon. I got this for 300 rupees, and I'm gonna make a detailed video on this. I have tried this month and it's really amazing. It's very comfortable, so I'm just gonna make a detailed video on this and give my first impression. So next I have this pack of fake nails. I got this for 200 rupees and they're square shaped. They have like 100 to 200 pairs of nails. I'm not really sure, and they are so good. I have tried this. I don't have nails right now. I should get it done at home. Next I got this muscular nail glue from Nykaa. I got this for 120 rupees and it's really good. It sticks the nails so well and it's amazing. And yeah, I have two nail colors from In Color Matte Me. I have a white shade and another a nude brown color. So they are not so matte. I got this for 99 each, and yeah, they are like okay, not so matte. So I also got few earrings, and this is one pair. I love this. It's so boho, and I got this for 100 rupees from Streets. And yeah, there's another jhumka here, kind of a jhumka, and it has this mirror. I'm not finding the other one. I got this for 100 rupees, and the other one is the jhumka which I'm wearing right now. I'm loving junk jewelries these days. I like to pair them with western wear, and yeah, I love this. I love earrings with mirror. And that's it for the haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you for watching the video, and also subscribe to my channel, like the video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.